Tucked away near Lake Norrell, this is a rare Arkansas retreat sitting on nearly 10 acres of land with total privacy, rolling terrain, and a true off-the-grid feeling lifestyle. As you arrive, the property immediately opens into a mix of flat grassland, wooded surroundings, and gently rolling hills. Scattered throughout the land, you'll also notice exposed quartz formations that give the acreage a unique natural character you don't see every day. The setting feels completely secluded, surrounded by trees, open space, and nature in every direction. It's the kind of property where the road fades away and the land takes over. A welcoming front porch sits at the front of the home, overlooking a large shaded yard that adds even more privacy and space between you and the surroundings. It's a quiet outdoor area designed for sitting, relaxing, and taking in the natural environment. Inside, the home features a rustic living space with vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, and a wood-burning stove that anchors the main living area. The design blends cabin-style warmth with open, comfortable living. The kitchen has been thoughtfully updated with modern appliances, while still keeping a simple country feel. The layout flows naturally between living and sleeping areas, including a main-level bedroom and bath, with an additional loft space above. Throughout the property, extensive updates have already been completed, including new electrical work, fresh interior and exterior paint, new windows, new exterior stain, upgraded decking, drainage improvements, gutters, gravel driveway, professional landscaping, tree clearing, and improved well components. The land itself is highly usable, offering space for hunting, recreation, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Deer stands and feeders have already been added, making it ready for wildlife activity right away. This Arkansas property is more than a home. It's a private rural escape surrounded by nearly 10 acres of natural land, offering seclusion, outdoor living, and long-term potential near Lake Norrell.